In 1997, the artist Arnaldo Pomodoro created this bronze statue of the Norman King William II, offering the Cathedral of Monreale to the Virgin Mary. According to legend, King William of Sicily fell asleep under a carob tree in the woods near Monreale. The Virgin Mary appeared in his dream and suggested he build a church on the spot where he lay. While clearing the land, he found a treasure trove of gold coins in the roots of the carob trees. The money financed his construction project. In reality, William built his cathedral to compete with the large cathedral that was being built in Palermo at the same time. Or perhaps it was also built to outdo his grandfather, Roger II, who had built the imposing seaside cathedral of Cefalù. With a prodigious expenditure of wealth and labor, Monreale was built between 1174 and largely completed by 1189. Because it was built in such a short period of time, Monreale shows a remarkable unity of style. A very prominent mosaic in the aisle portrays Jesus Christ crowning King William. This is surely testament to divine approval of this glittering showcase of Norman, Arab, and Byzantine collaboration. The masterpiece that is Monreale highlights the benefits of an open society where craftsmen and artisans of different faiths work closely together towards a common goal. As I photographed the interior, I imagined an illiterate medieval congregation gazing up in rapture at the sequential picture stories from the Bible told in stunning gold leaf mosaics. The Old Testament is high on the walls of the nave. The figures on the wall appear elongated and two-dimensional. The purpose was to create a symbolic rather than realistic representation of the characters from the Bible. The mosaics were created from small glass building blocks set into gold leaf, designed to catch light and create a divine, ethereal atmosphere. Although the mosaic images tell the biblical stories well, short captions written in Latin clarify the narrative for literate viewers. Scenes about the life and times of Jesus Christ grace the lower levels, the aisles, the choir, and the transept. The dramatic stories of his teachings, his many miracles, and his ultimate betrayal and crucifixion come to dramatic life on the walls of Monreale Cathedral. The cathedral was built in the form of a Latin cross, which draws attention to the apse with its imposing mosaic of Christ as Pancrator, the Almighty. This colossal mosaic successfully blends the three dominant cultures of Sicily of that era. The figure of Christ displays his Arabic beard, his Byzantine eyes, and his Norman pale skin. To get a true sense of scale, the right hand of Christ measures more than 6 feet. After contemplating the tomb of William II and trying to absorb the dazzling complexity of Monreale Cathedral, the attached 12th century cloister of the Benedictine monks is a peaceful place for reflection.